let's talk about troubleshooting water damage. As you can see, it's been water coming in, and if you could feel it, you'd feel soft spots, ups and downs. We got hills and valleys. We even cut into a little spot of that. And normally what you'd look at is, okay, is it the plumbing? Nope. Not seeing any leaking or any of that. This base is in just great shape. You can't really see it right now because of all the cleaning supplies, but underneath, this isn't even water wicked. And normally that would be, if it was from here, if it was coming in from there, this area, this would be all wet and water damaged too. And then so we were thinking, well, maybe since there's a bunch of water in this vicinity, coming in from over here, there's a washer dryer on the other side. Maybe it was a broken pipe from underneath it coming up during the winter. Maybe that's the issue. Well, when you turn the AC on and it runs and runs and runs on a 90+ degree day, what's going to happen is you'll find out whether your condenser line is clogged up or not. And this was, and there was water all over the place. In fact, that's actually what this is. And so that line being clogged up, just a simple little fix, actually was the reason for all of this damage. Simple fixes, simple maintenance, ends up being able to offer some really great ways in which to be able to minimize the amount of damage and issues that you have in a property. So something as simple as that's another great way to be able to troubleshoot it. Go figure, right? But just wanted to share that little tidbit. If you're having a hard time finding the source of it and you do have an AC unit attached coil in your furnace area, and that's where water is, seems like it has been hitting, definitely an area to check.